In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dispute a collection on your own in 2026. This process is used when you want to challenge incorrect or unfair entries on your credit report. First, get a copy of your credit report from the major credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. Carefully review the collection account and check for any errors such as wrong amounts, outdated information, or accounts you don't recognize. Next, gather your supporting documents. This can include payment records, account statements, identity proof, or any communication that supports your claim. Now write a formal dispute letter to the credit bureau reporting the collection. Clearly explain what is incorrect and why you believe it should be removed or corrected. Attach your supporting documents with the letter. You can also file the dispute online through the credit bureau's official website, which is usually faster and easier to track. After submitting your dispute, the credit bureau will investigate the claim, usually within 30 days, and contact the creditor to verify the information. If the information is found to be inaccurate, it will be corrected or removed from your credit report. So that's how you dispute a collection on your own in 2026 and take control of your credit report.